So you've done these. You're a professional.
Oh yeah. This is probably the most common.
Alright everybody, we're going up to one now. It's a Subaru Outback. Looks like 2 wheels are off into the ditch and 2 wheels are on the road. So we're going to get it back onto the road here. It should be an easy, just 2-line pull back into the road. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get there. See ya. Hey guys, so today I don't have my GoPro camera because I forgot to charge the battery last night, so it actually died. But when I get back to the shop, I'm gonna get that recharged. Anyway, I'm gonna shoot this entirely from this 360 camera, so hopefully it picks up everything just as well. It won't get as clear of audio, but that's okay. This should be a real quick winch out. But yeah, I'll try to shoot in the same format I normally would. But anyway guys, check it out when you get there. See ya. Here we go. There it is right there. We're not gonna have a whole lot of room to get this one back on here, but it shouldn't be too bad of a recovery. Let me see, I might just go up in the road a little bit, that way it gives me plenty of room. Yeah, I think that might be what I do. Just go in the road a little bit by the mailboxes with my lights on. That'll give me the right angle that I need and everything, and then I'll just go high boom on it, and that should get it out of there, no issues at all. Alright, so I'll show you here in a second.
How's your day going?
Oh, pretty good.
So you've done these. You're a professional.
Oh yeah. This is probably the most common. We'll take the light on and lift my door a little high. Then I'll take the pressure off this side.
today.
So is that a new truck?
Oh no, this one's pretty old. Yeah.
Have you ever watched what's that show where they're in like Canada?
Oh yeah, the Alaskan truckers.
Yeah.
Or the Canada, yeah. What is it? Yeah, it's in the winter time and all that.
God, what a,
Yeah.
they have some huge, amazing. They had a flatbed. The travel trailer.
Yeah.
Do you want to hop inside and pull and drive? It's not going to get stuck in there.
out here, just slightly slide off the road like this.
Well, hopefully you'll have a
Yeah.
What was your name?
My name's Barrett.
What?
Barrett.
Darren. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Darren. I'll put a good word in for you with Ben.
Oh yeah, no problem. Then I see that I record all my recoveries that I do there, so I got a whole bunch of them. And if it's cool with you, I put them up on my channel on YouTube. I don't put any names or anything.
Oh, well, don't put any names.
Yeah, no names and no address.
Oh, so you're a YouTube. You're gonna be getting money?
No, I'm not that big. Yeah, I'm about 400 now.
So Darren, how would I follow you?
The channel's called The Flytowguy.
Theflytowguy.
But you can see all the wrecks we get out here in the gorge with River's Edge. At least the ones that I get anyway.
Hey.
But yeah, you're welcome to follow
Is
along.
that okay?
Yeah, no problem. I like to let everybody know that
Theflytowguy.
yeah, the Flytowguy.
On YouTube, right?
Yep, it's on YouTube there. You'll see there'll be a whole bunch of other ones in wintertime coming up on there too. But this is no big deal. Like I said, this is our most common type of scenario.
Oh, good. That'll make you feel. Hopefully my wife will.
Yeah. Oh no. That's the nice thing with these trucks here. Once you lift the pressure off the tires, it just kind of slides on there, so it doesn't do any damage or anything.
Yeah. So it's my what?
The Flytowguy?
Theflytowguy.
Yeah. I just did one yesterday up at Meadows. The car flipped over all the way. And, they were going a little too fast around those corners and hit that snowbank. Yeah, no problem. Alright everybody, we were able to get him out of there, no problem at all. That's a really common scenario, like I told him in the video. We get those kind of cars all the time, or maybe they just went into a turn too fast, or like he said, he was backing up at night and just didn't see where the edge of the driveway was. But it's no big deal at all. We were able to, once I lift the boom up, it took all the pressure off those wheels there, and that way it just slid up on its own, real nice and easy. So no problem at all. We got him back on the road. If you guys could, hit a like on the video. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, that always helps. And anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.